Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to make some Popeyes chicken sandwich. Let me start by saying you guys have overflooded my DM with this request. You guys want me to do the Popeyes new chicken sandwich, my version. So with that being said, let's get into this video. So for this you are going to be needing some chicken breast, of course, and I'm going to be using some hot sauce. I'm using Frank's hot sauce, and you're going to be needing some buttermilk, and I have a whole lot of spices here I'll be using. I will definitely list everything down in the description box for you guys to know exactly how much I use, because there's so much I just don't want to go through them. And I am going to be using some pickles because they have pickles in theirs, and we are using 3 eggs, and of course some mayonnaise, and I'm using about 1 cup of flour and some oil to fry my chicken, and of course some salt and pepper, and a little bit of water I'm going to use just to add to my beaten eggs, and of course your buns. Please check the description box where I will list everything in the measurements I use in this video. So let's get cooking, guys. So to get started, I'm gonna go ahead and take a little bit of my onion powder, just a little bit, not too much. About half a teaspoon, and a little bit of garlic powder, not too much as well. And I'm going to put about 1 cup of buttermilk in this. We are just going to make sure our chicken is nice and tender before we fry it. And to this I'm going to add about a teaspoon of the hot sauce. I like mine nice and spicy, guys. Okay, and now I'm going to just turn it, and we are going to place this in the fridge for at least 45 minutes. Of course, the longer you do it, the better it will be, but at least for 45 minutes. Okay, so as that waits, I'm going to move it to the side, and then I'm going to start by seasoning our flour. So for that, you are going to be using some basil leaves. Again, I will leave everything in the description box so you guys can know exactly how much. And I have some ground mustard. The Popeyes chicken is obviously very, very flavorful, so we are going to put as much flavor in this as possible. Garlic powder, okay, onion powder, again everything will be listed. And I'm going to be using a little bit of cayenne pepper. Of course I'm not going to use a tablespoon, I'm just going to use maybe a teaspoon. Okay, and then I'm going to throw in some poultry seasoning. We want this to be super flavorful. And of course you guys know I have to bring my Slap Your Mama seasoning. And remember, this have a little bit of salt in there. I'm going to use a tablespoon of that as well, just to flavor, get some salt into that flour mixture. And then of course some black pepper. Okay, and you are going to want to mix this around so that flour can be nice and seasoned. And then I'll come back and show you guys what I do next. As you can see, I already went ahead and cracked my eggs and beat them a little bit. Now I'm going to add about 2 teaspoons of water in there and whisk it. Okay, and I'm going to add some hot sauce in there as well. Like I said, I want mine nice and spicy, just like that. Of course this is optional. If you don't like hot sauce, you definitely don't have to use the hot sauce in yours. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and grab that chicken. It should be nice and tender by now, and kind of shake off the excess buttermilk. Okay, we're going to start by dipping it in the flour, just like that. We want this chicken to be nice and crispy. As you guys know, that's how Popeyes chicken is. I might have to just use my hands for this because we're going to get down and dirty. All right, so again, mix and shake the axis, and then now I'm going to dip it in that egg mixture. Okay, and shake, and then return it back into that flour again. Just like that. Again, thank you guys so much for sending me all these DMs to make this video. Of course, I don't have Popeyes here in North Dakota, but I do love me some Popeyes chicken when I do go out of town. Okay, so again, shake and set it to the side in a separate bowl, and then now we can get ready to fry our chicken breast. Alright guys, now it's time to fry our chicken. You want your oil to be around 350 degrees, okay? I'm going to fry one side and flip it over after a good 10-12 minutes and fry the other side until it's nice and golden brown and very crispy. Now it's time to assemble our chicken sandwich. I love this chipotle mayonnaise, you guys, but of course Popeyes use regular mayonnaise, but I do love this. So if you guys haven't tried it, go ahead and grab this at your local store and give it a try. Trust me, you will absolutely love it, especially if you love spicy food. So I'm going to take it and spread it, and of course I'm going to make my husband's with regular mayonnaise. Okay, so go ahead and spread it. And of course Popeyes use some pickles. Take some pickles and line it up. I love pickles, so I'm going to put a good amount in mine, 5 pieces. And now for the star. I was being so excited, so I was trying to take a little piece of my chicken, but I grabbed more than I wanted. And look at this beautiful sandwich, guys. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Look at how big this chicken breast is. But now for the taste. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna go and give a big bite. I want to make sure I get a little bit of everything. So here I go. Oh God. You guys feel that crisp? It's so good. This will definitely have you singing, I love that chicken from Lamise. Oh, I'm just kidding you guys, but this is so good. Please give this recipe a try. This is so good. Of course, stay tuned for the pictures at the end. And as always, thank you guys so much for always letting me know what you guys want to see. If you haven't, please go follow me on Instagram, on Snapchat, Twitter, and Facebook, the whole 9 yard. I will leave all the links down below for you guys. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment, like, and share. And as always, I love you guys so much. See you in my next video. Bye bye.